What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Bissell powerforce helix turbo pet. Like you see, did not get used again, but it will get used again at some point next weekend. I definitely almost suspect that this thing will get used at some point next weekend, because you can see, like I said, this machine right here been used almost like every single time this machine's get used, almost like quite a bit, because there's nothing wrong with it exactly, because you see how much suspected this machine's been used almost like every single time this machine's active, because like I said, this thing will get used next weekend. I know that because like I said, this thing will get used every weekend, as you see. Every time we use this machine like this, because you see how much expected this thing is, because like you see, I think I got this right back in like June or July, I'm not sure exactly, because you can see how much expected this thing is, like you see. And the model it uses, this is a 3332, at least in 2024, so this came out last year, exactly, which is definitely what expected this thing, exactly. It does have a lean to the side, you can see, because it goes out like this, but normally sometimes it just stays like about here. And you see it's moving by itself, you can see, because you see how much expected this thing, which definitely looks pretty nice in my opinion. So it will get used again next weekend, so I know since stuff like this thing is going to get used next weekend, because you know how high expected this machine's been used almost like every single time this machine. And you know what exactly? I do like this machine a lot, because you see how much expected this thing is, so it will get used again at some point next weekend. So you know how expected this thing is, which is a pretty nice looking machine. My opinion, this thing will get used again.